Have you ever contemplated the complexity of the Israel-Palestine conflict? The depth of the history, the array of factors, and the multitude of lives affected by this enduring dispute? Let's unravel this intricate tapestry, strand by strand. The roots of the conflict trace back to late 19th and early 20th centuries with the rise of national movements, including Zionism and Arab nationalism. The Zionists sought a homeland for the Jewish people in Palestine, while the Arabs yearned for independence from Ottoman rule, a clash of aspirations, a collision of dreams. Forward to 1947, when the United Nations proposed a partition plan, dividing Palestine into an Arab state, a Jewish state, and an international zone around Jerusalem. The Jewish Agency accepted, the Arab League rejected. The result? A civil war culminating in the establishment of the State of Israel and the 1948 Arab-Israeli War. In 1967, the Six-Day War broke out, with Israel capturing Gaza Strip and the West Bank, among other territories. This war changed the landscape of the conflict, sparking disputes over land and the rights of Palestinians living in these occupied territories. Fast forward to 1993, the Oslo Accords were signed, aiming to achieve a peace treaty based on the UN resolutions. The accords were a significant step, but peace remained elusive. In recent years, the conflict has ebbed and flowed, marked by periods of relative calm and violent outbursts. The aspiration for a two-state solution grows distant, yet the international community continues to strive for an equitable resolution. In 2022, the then US President, Joe Biden, pledged to keep up efforts for Israel-Palestine peace, emphasizing that the United States would not give up on bringing both sides closer together. As we moved into 2023, the conflict saw a shift in global perceptions. Sympathy for Palestinians among Americans reached an all-time high, reflecting an increasing polarization of viewpoints on the issue. So, where does this leave us? We have a conflict steeped in history, a dispute over land, and a struggle for national identity. On one side, there's the State of Israel. On the other, the Palestinians. Caught in the middle are countless individuals yearning for peace. In summary, the Israel-Palestine conflict is a complex issue with deep historical roots. It involves a struggle for land and identity, with key events like the 1947 UN Partition Plan, the 1967 Six-Day War, and the 1993 Oslo Accords shaping its course. Despite numerous peace efforts, a definitive solution remains elusive. However, global perceptions are shifting, indicating a potential change in how this conflict is approached in the future. Remember, history isn't about dates and facts. It's about understanding the people, the events, and the decisions that have shaped our world. And in the case of the Israel-Palestine conflict, it's about understanding the hopes, the dreams, and the struggles of those living through it every day.